Teddy!
No, wait. It's not going to go anywhere.
It's video.
Oh.
Time to move, time to move!
You know that's going to go on video as well.
Oh well. Let's go for a run! How about, right, you get on him and gallop him up there, all the way up there.
1, no hat. 2, no saddles. 3,
He'll kill you.
I've not ridden him for 2 months.
He'll be fine. Well, my turn. Right, if I fall, please don't laugh because I'm not led
Well,
a horse.
it's going on camera anyway.
Listen to me, horse. Ready? Dropping down here through it. Good.
Run at the side of him. You're so funny.
He's not listening to me. This is the right side of him, isn't it?
What?
This is the right side of him.
Yeah, the left-hand side. Oh, I completely missed that. It's just...
Why, when that's the first time he's listened to me?
Ah, funny. Ruby, smile.
Right, ready? 1, 2. Are we starting without me? And it's in Ruby. I'm going to cut all in there. Obviously he doesn't listen to me.
Everyone run, it's Ruby, the monster of everything. Hello.
Take a picture of them.
It's on video. This is going on YouTube.
Play video.
Hi guys!
Can I take a video?
We're just having one really long video, aren't we?
Will you take a video of
No,
me?
eat it.
Look what it is.
Right, do you know what? I've decided I'm gonna...
I'll do it.
No. I'm gonna do a circle, but I'm gonna change the rain! Because you know I'm so talented and this is all I can do. But let's go.
Hello, gorgeous.
You know what? I've not changed the rain in ages, so if it's really poor, I do apolagise.
Open your mouth.
I want to take a video.
This is a big video.
Oh, can you take a video of me?
I am. Just one long one of Teddy. All the fun. Change the rain. It's harder than it looks. With your camera. Oh, look at Sam. Smile for the camera.
No.
Well, it's actually a video. Hello, Sammy boy.
Oh, you're still videoing?
Yeah. Hello.
You love me, don't you?
You need to
Cutie,
flash it on
aren't you?
YouTube.
Cutie.
It better not.
It's up to Libby, yeah.
Don't put it on YouTube.